Alright, welcome back to Get Out the House, Go Fish. We are at Fulton Landing Boat Ramp. Never been here before. Basically, it's a neighborhood that you just drive through, and it comes out to this little beach area here as you just drive down through the neighborhood and right to the water. No porta johns here, so if you got to go to the bathroom, do it before you arrive. And so we are going to be meeting another person here. He's a subscriber to the channel, goes by Red. Actually, I put I watched the marketplace quite a bit, and if I see any deals, I usually post them up on my page, on the Get Out the House Go Fish Facebook page. And he saw one of the deals on a Hobie. It was an Outback, and he was able to obtain that Hobie Outback for a really good deal. So glad he was able to get that deal on the Hobie Outback. And so we're going to go ahead and I think he's at the bait shop right now picking up some bait, but we're going to go ahead and unload and get everything together and wait till he arrives, and then we are going to get out in the water and see what we can do today. But today, we look at the low tide and everything. I think we're arriving right at low tide. We're at Fulton. Low tide is at 6:14. It was at 6:14. It's right now at 7:14. So we're going to be fishing an incoming tide the entire time today. Sunrise is at 7:20. Just a couple more minutes for that. And then check out this barometer. That pressure dropped. Check out that pressure, 30.0. So fish should be biting out there. So we're gonna see how we do today. Well, I got Katie a new rod and reel. She hadn't even used it today. This is the first time she'll be using it today. It's the Kayaking Crixus. And she's got the Kayaking Crixus rod to match it, 7-foot rod with that. So she can tell me how she does, how it feels. Love these grips too. All right, check it out. All right, today I'm gonna be trying out a new bait. It's the Fish Bites. This is the 3-inch Dirty Boxer. Let's see here. We have a 5-inch Dirty Boxer. That's the white knuckle color, and also another 3-inch Dirty Boxer. This is the Counter Punch. So I have 3 different colors: the roach color, the white knuckle, and Counter Punch. I think I'm going to try out the white knuckle first and see have any luck with this guy. All right, so that's the Outback. He came over the other day and helped him put the trolley system on. So have you used the trolley yet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's nice.
Nice. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, it's awesome.
All right. All right, so we're going to be working some docks. See if we can pick up some flounder, reds. We'll find out what we can, see if anything's over here. First catch of the day is a pyramid sinker and a J-hook. So that's my first catch of the day. She got a hook up.
It's one of them mackerel things.
Spanish mackerel?
Yeah. And it fell off.
Oh.
Damn. Well, I'll try again. Oh well.
All right. Yeah, Spanish mackerel in here. It's very surprising. Yep. Bam. Get on there. All right. First fish of flounder. Right there. Let's see. Let's see. This guy's right at 13 and a half. 13 and a half. Just got to be 12 to keep. All right, first fish is a flounder. Got him on the mega jaws.
At least I got my lure back. Okay, let's see how big he is. He is back in the water where I could measure him. But I can tell you for a fact that he was quite small. But he was a lot of fun and a big surprise. So I'm going to try again. Tiny flounder. There's so many fish here. This is so crazy, you guys. It's so nice to be outside. Oh my God. I don't know. Maybe I can measure this one. He is like maybe, he's like 10. He's like super duper big. But here he is. He's probably going to flip out of my hands into the water because that's how I roll. So here you go. Look, babe. Louder. Alright, and off he goes.
You got to hook up. Another baby red?
Baby red, yeah.
All right. There you go.
Woo!
Good job, Katie.
I'm going to try to do this the right way, but I'm not promising anything. Look, y'all, I'm going to try to use the net. Are you impressed? I don't know how this is going to go. But I'm going to try. I caught him on a gray swimming mullet. So it's not a white one this time. Here, bud. We have... I'm sorry. Oh well, he was too small. That's how I roll.
Was it a nice red? All right. Yeah, hold it out. 16 and a half. Oh, nice. Well, that's a trout. Yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper.
Is it?
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, for trout, that is a keeper.
Sweet.
So I thought you had a redfish. Yeah.
I know. It's 18 to 20.
18 and 27. Yeah. There you go. What's he got? What's he got? What's he got? Oh, flounder. Yeah. All right. Nice little flatty. Good to go. You just need that red now for that slam. Yeah. Let it be a red. You get that slam. A jack? It's not slam, but that's a good shark bait right there. You gonna keep it?
You want it?
Yeah, I'll keep it. Just for when I go shark fishing. Oh man, pull up next to you. Hold on.
Get him. Slippery.
I got him. Yeah. Going just for some shark fishing. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Haven't been out a while in the kayak. Sorry, I'm eating. Katie's been wanting to go out in the kayak. She caught a few fish. I caught some fish. Red definitely caught some fish. All I needed was that red for that slam, but didn't get it. But maybe next time. All right. Haven't yet? Please like, subscribe, and until next time.
GetOutTheHouseGoFish.